Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. We've made it to the weekend, which overall I'd say 80% of it looks dry. We're going to bring in some showers, though, by Sunday evening, Sunday night. But we're more than likely going to go into a weather alert for late Sunday night and especially Monday morning. Another high-impact storm with heavy rain, wind. And we're going to obviously talk about that storm potential in more detail. We'll do it right now. So, again, this is for late Sunday night, Monday, and especially Monday morning. And here's how it breaks down with, well, for one, strong wind gusts, southeast turning south, maybe seeing gusts 40 to 60 miles per hour. So gusts of that magnitude, isolated power outages if possible, or scattered power outages, potential for some street flooding. The early call now is for 1 to 3 inches of rain. Coastal flooding. I'm going to watch this very closely with a strong onshore wind and at the time of high tide. We'll keep an eye on the coastline. And rivers are below flood stage, but they're swollen from the last rainstorm we had on Monday. So with additional rain on the way, you'll have to keep an eye on local rivers and streams for some possible flooding. So a number of factors that we're going to be watching, again, in that late Sunday night, Monday morning time frame. Meanwhile, satellite photo shows it's quiet across New England. We have one storm system. You can clearly see it spinning across the middle of the country. But we're more concerned about moisture down in the Gulf that'll be coming out of the Gulf of Mexico and riding up the coastline from Florida all the way up to the mid-Atlantic into New England in the form of rain and wind. So when we take this into the future and just watch the time bar right up in here, of course the green is the precipitation. As we set this into motion, first of all, Saturday is a fine day. It's dry, it's comfortable. Here we are Saturday afternoon. Temperatures will be generally in the upper 40s. You can see that moisture coming out of the Gulf. That area of low pressure by Sunday morning looks like it's near Jacksonville, Florida. An expanded shield of rain and wind. We're dry Sunday morning through early afternoon. But by Sunday evening at around, just after sunset, around 6 o'clock, you start to see scattered showers in the area. But it's right in here, this little band, this comma shape right in here of a very heavy rain, thunder, and wind. And that'll be coming up the coastline. And that's all scheduled to be on top of us by the early morning hours on Monday for the Monday morning commute. So we'll watch the situation very closely. This is almost a spring-like storm. I mean, look at this, unbelievable. The temperature Monday morning is already at 60. Unfortunately, the big ski areas in northern New England and the mountains are going to see some significant rain out of this as well. All right, for your Saturday morning, we're looking good. Sunshine, mid-30s at 7 a.m., 46 by 11 in the morning. Some extra clouds in the afternoon. We'll call it kind of a cloud-sun mix the second half of the day, but otherwise dry and comfortable. I mean, the average high for this time of year is 43, 44. We're forecasting upper 40s. So looking okay. Bay forecast with unlimited visibility. North breeze turning northeast at around 5 to 10 knots. And there's your 7-day. And again, we'll go into a weather alert for Monday, just due to the high impact of weather that's anticipated with rain and wind. Turns cooler. Blustery on Tuesday with some scattered light rain and or snow showers, nothing significant, and temperatures on Tuesday between 40 and 45 degrees. You're going to want to check back over the weekend for updates to see how this all plays out for late Sunday night and especially for the Monday morning commute.